Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki is a personal finance book that uses contrasting lessons from two influential figures in the author's life to impart financial wisdom and encourage a shift in mindset towards wealth creation and financial independence. The book revolves around two primary characters: the author's own father, referred to as Poor Dad, who worked as a highly educated but financially struggling individual, and the father of his best friend, referred to as Rich Dad, who was a successful entrepreneur and investor. Through their divergent approaches to money and life, Kiyosaki presents a series of valuable lessons for readers. One of the key principles emphasized in the book is the importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that traditional schooling fails to teach essential financial skills, such as managing money, investing, and understanding how to make money work for you. He stresses that gaining financial literacy is crucial for achieving long-term success and building wealth. Kiyosaki challenges conventional beliefs about money by encouraging readers to break free from the rat race. He defines the rat race as the cycle of working for money, spending it on liabilities, and being stuck in a never-ending loop of financial dependence. Instead, he advocates for adopting an entrepreneurial mindset and striving to become an investor rather than an employee. This involves acquiring assets that generate income, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses, in order to attain financial freedom. The author emphasizes the importance of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are defined as things that put money in your pocket, such as rental properties or stocks that provide dividends. On the other hand, liabilities are expenses that take money out of your pocket, such as a mortgage, car payments, or credit card debt. Kiyosaki advises readers to focus on accumulating assets and reducing liabilities to achieve financial stability and growth. Additionally, Kiyosaki discusses the significance of taking calculated risks and overcoming the fear of failure. He highlights that mistakes and failures are essential learning opportunities that contribute to personal and financial growth. By developing resilience and learning from setbacks, individuals can increase their chances of achieving success in the world of entrepreneurship and investing. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki emphasizes the need for continuous self-improvement and increasing one's financial intelligence. He suggests seeking mentors, attending seminars, reading books, and surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals who can offer guidance and support. In summary, Rich Dad, Poor Dad provides a thought-provoking perspective on personal finance and wealth creation. It encourages readers to challenge conventional beliefs about money, acquire financial literacy, and adopt an entrepreneurial mindset. By focusing on assets, reducing liabilities, and taking calculated risks, individuals can break free from the cycle of financial dependence and work towards achieving financial freedom and lasting wealth.